Hey Matt, in this short video I'm going to show you how to add images the way we discussed in a previous conversation, where you only have to upload one large image, and in this case they're calling it a giant image, and then and from that the system will automatically resize the other two versions for your large and small. So I'm logged into your back end of the store, and I'm just going to add a test product. So under product admin, I'll go to product admin, and I'm going to list a new product here. I'm going to call it fidget spinner, and maybe I'll just abbreviate that here. And so when you go in here, all you have to do is go to giant image, and before you do anything, go ahead and pick out your images, and you'll want your large or giant image to be around 800 pixels wide. It can be larger than that if you got one that's 1,000 pixels wide, but I wouldn't go too much larger than 800 to 1,000 pixels wide, just because it'll kind of blow things out. So you go to your giant image here and browse for the image that you want to use. In this case, I've already got one prepared here, and it's this fidget spinner. And you can see down here in the details that I've made it 800 pixels wide, and to keep the aspect ratio, that made it 733 pixels tall at 72 pixels per inch resolution. And so I do that, and then by default these will all say no small image and no large image, and they'll have no values in these fields right here. But after you've uploaded that large image, or the giant image, then you'll want to say, yes, I do want a large image, and I want it to be 400 pixels wide. So that's about half the size of the giant image. And then you do want a small image, and you want it to be, let's say, 250. That's a pretty decent size. I think it's a little bit bigger than the one you have been doing for your small image, but nowadays people are running in a little higher resolution on their laptops and desktops, and even on their cell phones. So I think this would probably be a good starting point for you. We don't want to resize the image, because the giant image is where we want it to be anyway. We predefined that by going in and modifying your image width to 800 pixels. So your giant image is the one you're going to work with always. It's going to be around 800 pixels wide, and then you'll come in here after you've browsed and uploaded it. Come down here and use the drop down for large image. Put in 400, small image 250. Hit submit, close this window, and now you'll see that it's automatically created all three sizes. And then I'm not going to process this, but once you go through that the process of adding it to the back end, and then go to the front end and search for that product, you'll notice now that you've got all three images, and they're all the correct size. And I think this will really save you a lot of time. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.